how to subscribe to premium on Falou. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how you can subscribe to premium on Falou. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to sign in into to open up your device. After opening your device, the next step is to go to your Play Store. Alright, so after going to your Play Store, you'll be brought to the home page where you'll see games and apps at the lowest part of the screen. And then by the top right corner, you'll see two options, the notification icon as well as your profile icon. Then once you can see this, click on your profile icon. After clicking on your profile icon, you'll be taken to another page where you'll see details about your account, such as manage apps and device, notifications and offers, payments and subscriptions, play protect, library, settings, help and feedback. So just click on payments and subscriptions. Then on the payments and subscriptions page, click on subscriptions. And then after clicking on subscription, if the Falou premium subscription is available for you in your region and in your country, you'll see the Falou premium subscription here on this same page. So once you see it, click on it, and then you'll be taken to another page. On this page, tap subscribe and then follow the instructions in order to know how you can subscribe to Falou premium. So this is basic way of how you can subscribe to Falou premium. Thanks for watching and have a good day.